If you're a mom who wants flexibility but also needs income that actually makes sense, this video is for you. Because when you search flexible jobs for moms, what usually comes up is MLMs, low pay remote jobs, or advice from people who haven't actually lived it. I've worked traditional roles, owned businesses, freelanced, and even tried multiple income paths while raising kids. So today, I want to talk you through the careers that actually offer flexibility and which ones I would personally choose if I were starting all over. Before we get into this list, I want to really be clear about what I mean by flexibility. Flexibility does not mean easy, it does not mean passive, and it does not mean no stress. It means having control over your schedule, your workload, and even how your income fits into your real life. Every option I'm going to talk about today has trade-offs, and honestly, that really matters. One of the most flexible and realistic paths for moms is service-based freelancing. This includes things like social media management, video editing, virtual assistant, content creation, copywriting, or even design. The reason this works well for moms is because you're selling a skill and it's not your time in a fixed schedule. You can start small, work around school hours, and scale slowly. The downside is you are the product. And if you take on too much, burnout happens really fast. If I were starting all over again, I'd niche down earlier, I'd raise my prices sooner, and I'd cap my client load. Another flexible option is consulting or coaching, especially if you have experience in a specific area. This could be business, it could be marketing, organization, operations, or even something like retail management or customer service systems. The flexibility comes from fewer clients and higher leverage, but the trade-off is that it takes confidence and clarity to position yourself as an expert. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know more than the person you're helping. And real estate just happens to be the breadwinner in my life. Now, it is commission-based, and like real estate can offer definitely flexibility, but there also comes some unpredictability. You're trading a steady paycheck for potential income and control over your schedule, essentially. What people don't talk about enough are the upfront cost, the emotional stress, and the pressure that you're constantly marketing yourself. For some moms, this works beautifully. For others, it adds more stress than freedom. This is one of those careers where flexibility depends heavily on how you structure your business and the support that you have around you. If I were starting over today as a mom who needed flexible income, I would start with a service-based skill. I would focus on one thing, get it really good at it, and protect my time and build from there. Then once income felt stable, I would layer it with something more scalable like education or consulting. Flexibility comes from simplicity, not from doing everything at once. The biggest mistake I see moms make in chasing flexibility without looking at sustainability. You don't need the perfect career. You need something that fits your life for right now. And if you want more honest conversations about work, income, and building flexibility without burnout or hype, you're in the right place. And if you have questions about any of the paths I've mentioned, leave them in the comments. I read them all and I will respond to all of them. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to continue seeing more videos like this. Until next time, bye.